Do you want to upgrade your smartphone's camera to the next level? Today I have just a product that can really upgrade your mobile phone videography and photography. Meet Freewell's new Sherpa series lenses. So right now I'm holding anamorphic lenses. I've tested them and they are the best anamorphic lenses available in the world right now. I'm definitely going to show you guys a lot of examples in this video. And also the wide angle lens that can take your phone's wide camera so much further. And there are a set of ND filters 8, 16, 32 and 64, and they go very easily onto any of these big lenses. And don't forget snow mist and CPL. All these filters can just easily go onto these base lenses. So they're ultra compatible within the system from Freewell. So today I'm going to test out using my beloved Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'm using the Freewell's case especially designed for this model. However, for iPhone users or other Android users, don't worry, Freewell does make a wide range. So if you do have other phones, do make sure that you use the link down below to check out whether the case is available from Freewell. And the secret to this whole mechanism is this part, this Sherpa lens from Freewell, and this particular one is an anamorphic lens. It can easily go on to any of these camera holes. However, I'm going to use the middle one because that's the main camera of the phone and you want to maximize the quality by using the main camera. Now let's talk about the beautiful anamorphic lenses. All the lenses in Sherpa series from Freewell can be easily installed onto the Freewell's mobile phone case. Just need to gently push into the gap and then twist. The lens is now securely placed onto the mobile phone case. Since anamorphic lenses give cinematic feel, let's put it on the gimbal, and then the mobile phone with Freewell lens are perfectly balanced onto the gimbal. This is Freewell Cinemorphic lens 1.55 times. Just enjoy the color, the image, observe the corners as well. Now is another example of anamorphic at 1.55 times. I'm going to enlarge it so that you can really observe the image quality from Freewell lens. And let's do the same for cinematic 1.33 times. And then enlarge it. And here we go, the quality is excellent. Just to show you the size comparison, this is what you get against the normal camera of the phone. You can really enjoy the cinematic footage of anamorphic lenses. Yet again, this is another example, but this time the mobile phone with anamorphic lens is on a gimbal. While the phone is on the move, the video quality does not change. And if you decide to use anamorphic lens at nighttime, because it actually gives a very special effect on the lights from lamppost. Now onto the wide angle lens, which will help you get 18mm shot. I was passing the rice field and it looked absolutely beautiful. Time for the wide angle shots. This is the wide angle lens on the main camera. You can definitely capture a much wider environment. And also I just tried out putting it on the wide angle lens of the camera. You get some interesting fisheye effect, which actually could work quite well on your next vlog. So right now I'm back on my mobile phone and I also have this snow mist filter. So what this snow mist filter does is that it softens the light, it softens the skin tone, it softens the contrast, as if you have a little bit of mist in the air. And this filter can just go on top of the lens. It has a little bit of like what I would call sparkle inside the glass. Now you can see my face really softened. So right now, exact same setup, but with snow mist filter on. Do you see the difference? I'm also going to have the frame side by side, so you'll be able to distinguish the difference. So this is with snow mist filter, and I think Freewell does it quite naturally. In the set, we have a CPL filter as well. It's a glass attachment that can reduce the glare from reflected surfaces. So to find the right reduction of the glare, you need to turn the CPL around. Right now CPL is installed, but I'm just gonna turn it around. This is on 70mm telephoto lens. Can you see the fish? Okay, let me repeat it by zooming out, and you can see reflection goes away when I turn the CPL around, and you can see a school of silver little fish. But here, whoa, there are lots of fish. Now is the time for ND filters. So we have 8, 16, 32 and 64 right now on my base lens. And of course the new ND filters, they fit so well with all these new base lenses from Freewell. So very easy to install, just need to push it down to the case and turn. This is it. And ND filters installed. As you guys all know that managing shutter speed is essential when it comes to cinematic videography, and this ND filter will be really helpful. In another case, for photography, it's like putting a sunglasses on your camera, so you can really change the time of shutter speed, which will be really helpful if you're into light photography. First, I want to show you what it would look like without an ND filter, make it as dark as possible to do this interesting light photography. Basically, it doesn't work, no good. Let's now add ND64 ND filter. After setting the correct exposure, make the ISO really dark, we're ready to go. With ND64, it's like having a very dark sunglasses. So with long exposure photography, I am able to achieve little fun shapes like heart, like this video, and another heart you can definitely try in the outdoor or in the dark room. Now let's explore 90mm long range macro. It works similar as other filters, just put it on top of the base lens and the beautiful glasswork looks absolutely stunning. With macro lens installed on my phone, I just need to get really up close to the object to get the beautiful sharp images with minute details. And also if I take it outdoor, you can see little wildlife such as little ants. And this is a normal camera on the phone without the lens, and you can't really see where the ant is. Another example, you can really see the minute detail with beautiful bokeh. I've had several really fun days testing out all these lenses, and I can't actually pick which one's my favorite because all of them have unique characteristics and they really make a difference on your phone's videography and photography. And the glasswork from Freewell, really the top of the quality out there. So don't forget to check out the link down below for more detail, and I'll be back with other interesting reviews. So see you!